quotients. Now remember, estimating means about, and quotients is just division. So a juice machine sold 3,180 cans in 1 month, and there are 48 cans of juice in a case. About, that means we're going to be doing some rounding, how many cases are sold in a month? So 3,180 rounds to 3,000, and 48 rounds to 50. So what is 3,000 divided by 50? Well, the leading digits are 30 divided by 5 equals 6, and I have 2 extra zeros, and so it would be about 60. Because I have the zeros, so I have to subtract. That's what they're telling you there. So let's go ahead and take a look a little bit down the road and see if we can do these on our own. So I know that 2 goes into 6 3 times. So I'm going to put that. Now I have no zeros on my 2, so I'm going to take these 2 zeros and put them right there. 1, 2. Now let's take a look at number 2. I'm going to look at 8. I'm going to look at 4. 4 goes into 8 twice. I have 1 0 here, so I'm going to cross that 0 off on both sides. And I have 1 0 left. Let's try that down here. And it says estimate by rounding to the leading digit. So I'm going to just rewrite my problem over here. 52 is about 50. And 2,890 is about 3,000. Now, let's just start off with getting rid of the extra 0. I have 1 0 out here, so I cross it off, and I cross it off there. Now I'm going to look to see how many times does 5, well, it can't go into 3, but it does go into 30. 5 goes into 36 times with 1 0 left over. Let's try that again for number 9. 38 is closer to 40, and 1,975 is about 2,000. I'm going to get rid of my extra 0 on the outside. So if I get rid of 1 there, I get rid of 1 here. And 4 doesn't go into 2, but it goes into 25 times. 5 times 4 is 20. And now I have 1 extra 0 that I bring up, and my answer is 50. Let's try a story problem. A movie theater sold this many tickets to this many movie screenings. About how many tickets were sold for each screening? So my word that I'm looking for is tickets. And each tells me I'm going to be doing division because they want to split it up. So 37 is about 40. And 1,965 is about 2,000. Look, we have the same problem, so I'm going to leave that one there for you to do on your own. Lewis earns between $9 and $11 each time. Each tells me I'm going to be doing something with that, such as multiplication or division. He sweeps the floor of the auto shop. About how many times does he need to sweep to earn this much? So I'm going to bring this down, and I'm going to say 9 and 10 is between 9 and 11 is $10. I'm going to go $10. And because 10 is such a friendly number, I'm just going to leave that number. I'm going to get rid of my extra 0. Well, I know 1 goes into 130 times. So he's going to have to sweep it 130 times. Sweep. All right. Go ahead and come see me during office hours if you need help.